Very good morning and warm welcome to another episode of A Pulse to A Plus, the educational channel. Today we are going to discuss on exponents, the 7th standard chapter, with the help of a famous ancient story. Come on, let's go.
Dear students, let's come to our textbook. See, you can see fourth chapter, repeated multiplication here. What is meant by repeated multiplication? Let's look here. First to give is a story. This is an old story. A poor man went to a rich man for help. Said the rich man, I can give you 1,000 rupees a day for 30 days, or I can give you 1 paise for first day, 2 paise second day, 4 paise third day, and so on, doubling each day for 30 days. Choose which you want. Have you got any idea? Which is the better deal, you think? Let's see. The first offer will give the poor man 3,000 rupees for 30 days. Then what about the second deal? 1 paise plus, 2 plus, 4 plus, 8 plus, 16 plus, and so on. See, what will be the sum of this all for 30 days? You see, look at here. This is the total of 30 days. How many paise? Let's change into rupees. You see, this is more than 1 crore rupees. Then let's see the condition next here. Yes, the same rich man who made deal with you, I have lost my crores and you can grow over it all. Then what is the response of the second man? You should have been more careful in your powers. So that's all about this one. Now let's go to our activity. Dear students, we have first to go is multiplication. We know what is multiplication. Multiplication is a process of continuous addition. Here you can see 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many times? 5 times 2 is added. So the easy way to add all these is multiplication 5 times. So that is 5 2 is equal to 10. Now let's come to the next one here. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 4 3s, which is equal to 12. Now here how many 5s are here? 3 5s is equal to. That we already know. Multiplication means a continuous addition. Now let's come to the next chart here. See, here 2 is here, 2 is self. Now let's come to the next one. 2 into 2. It is not addition here. Multiplication is taken place. Now 2 into 2. How it is referred? It is mentioned like this. 2 has no signs. The position of the 2 is to be C. Here look at this. Where is the position? Upper right part. So this is where dash 2 raised to 2. Now let's look here. 2 into 2 into 2. Look at here. 2 raised to 3. Now 2 into 2 into 2 is referred as 2 raised to 4. Now 5 2 multiplied together is referred like this. 2 raised to 5. We know 2. This can also be referred like this. 2 raised to 1. Once is multiplied. That is 2 itself. Now the answers are given here. Now how it is to be referred, that is to be noted here. Here this is called exponents. These called exponents or powers. Now let's go some more examples here. You see here 10. The power of 10 is 2 here. How many times? 2 times. Here look at this. 3 times are multiplied. The power is 3. Now here 3 is multiplied thrice. The power is not thrice, 4 times. the power is 4. Now let's come to the last one. 2 is multiplied 5 times, the power is 5. So that's about the continuous multiplication or exponents, or it is also called powers. Now let's go some examples more. We are going to a story now. Now let's look what the story is about. Here is our worksheet. You can see the first is the space for entering squares. Then comes the powers here. The powers is already entered. Then the number of grains will be appearing here. Then certain remarks regarding the numbers will be added here. Now let's come to the columns here. Now we are entering 1 here. The number of seeds, grains is 1 itself. Second square, 2 grains. Third, 4 grains. Fourth, 8 grains. 16 grains. 32 grains. 64 grains. 128 grains. 250 grains. 512. 1024. See, 1024 is minimized to 1000 here. Now look here, the powers are given here. First square power is 2 raised to 0. 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1. If the power of any number is 0, the result will be 1. Now 2 ones is equal to 2 itself. 2 twice is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Then 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. Then 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16, and so on. 2 raised to 10 is equal to 1024, which is minimized to 1000. Now let's come to the next ones. Column number 12, 2000, 4000, 18,000, 16,000, 32,000. Here column number 17, 64,000, 18, 1,28,000, 2,56,000, 5,12,000, 21, 10,24,000, 22, 20 lakhs 48,000. Here you can see one big gunny contains this much grains. So here onwards we are taking gunny as our unit. Now let's come to the next square, that is 23rd. 2 gunnies, 24 4 gunnies, 25 8 gunnies, 26 16 gunnies, 27 32 gunnies, 28 64 gunnies, 29 128 gunnies, 30 256, 31 512, 32 1024 gunnies. Okay, here we can see we are on the middle of the squares of the chessboard, but it does not mean the number of grains are not in the middle. It is going on increasing manifold. 1024 gunnies can be allotted to a school classroom. So here onwards we are using our unit as school classroom. Yes, let's go to the next square. Numbers 33, 2 schools, 4 schools, 8 schools, 16 schools. Here, a school, an average school contains about 10 classrooms. Let's take the advantage of some unaided schools also. We can use 36th square as our school. Now we are taking our unit as school from here onwards. Now let's go to the next column. "36, 16, 2 schools, 4 schools, 8 schools, 16 schools, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024. See, our district consists about 1000 schools in each average. Now it can be considered a district as our unit. Here some comments regarding the number of grains are given here. Now let's go on district as our unit. Go on to the next one. 47, 2 district, 48, 4 district, 49, 8 district, 50, 16 district. Now we are on the 15th square. Here the schools of 16 districts have been filled with the grains now. Even though Kerala is a small state, the number of schools are very high. Here onwards, our unit is a state. Now next square, 51, 2 states, 52, 4 states, 53, 8 states, 54, 16 states, 55, 32 states. 32 states means a country. India is having only 28 states. For other remaining states, private, public and central government institution can also be utilized. So here onwards we consider as whole country as our unit. Now let's go. It is 2 countries, 4 countries, 8 countries, 16 countries, 32 countries, 64 countries. As far as India is concerned, India is a big country. 14 countries as India not only be available for entire world now, up to 41 countries can be adjusted, because India has a total land area of 2.42%. So some places like deserts are to be availed for the remaining parts. So here onwards we are considering 1 earth as our unit. Now 2 earth, 4 earth, 8 earth. 8 earth means the entire planet of our solar system can be utilized as earth. So the whole planet full of grains is meant by this. Now let's wind up this session today. We can conclude this session going through some of the footnotes given here. First one is about the number of grains here. See, this is the number of grains. It is a 20-digit number, we can see here. This is the number of grains. It is a 20-digit number. Now another is regarding the number of days, number of years to count down that much quantity of grains at a speed of 1 per second is this one, which is also a 12-digit number. So that's all about this thing. Thank you for watching. Let's have another.
Dear students, let's wind up this session today. If it was useful, you may like and share. If not yet subscribed, you may subscribe. For further notification, bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you again with another episode soon. Till then, goodbye.